I am Pankaj Kumar. I done my engineering from PSIT College of Engineering in stream of Information Technology in 2023 pass out. After done my engineering, I joined QSpiders to enhance my skills in software testing domains, like skills like manual automation, Python, and database and Agile also. I know QSpiders by my elder brother is tell me that QSpider is good for your testing domain, and I joined, and my trainer is also supporting from the day one, and the way of they taught very well. We are very thankful for the organization to build my career, and also they also conducting grooming before interview schedule, and also the placement point of view is very good, and also I recommend those who are fresher to join QSpider. And by talking about my package and before LPA, that's